sure of that?
So what are we gonna do next week? Go hard? No, it's something. Let's go. Outing. No. Outing. That's so boring. We've done it a million times already. Let's go. Million? Goat hunting. Goat. No. That's how we're gonna hunt. Don't be.
Damn, what's taking them so long? To start our project already.
Yeah, it's already getting dark. Oh, God. Yeah, it's early. Why don't you call them up?
Okay.
So, guys, where are you now? We've been waiting here for so long.
Okay, that's good. Bye.
Last year. Sorry, guys, we're late. Yeah, we're really sorry. Prophet. Yes. Yeah. Come on, let's get started. Oh my God.
Hey, where are you going? Canteen. I'll go with you.
Hey guys, our project is not yet finished.
Oh, and we need to come back tonight, guys.
Sorry guys, I have an appointment. I cannot go with you. Is it okay?
Oh, okay, we
Then-
understand.
Hey guys, by the way, I'm doing something tonight.
What?
Something amazing.
Really?
Behind you!
Where?
Over there! You okay? Maybe we should bring her to the school clinic.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go, okay. Let's go. So, how's Christelle? She's better now. What's wrong with her? She said she saw something.
Last time, Diane saw something. And so did Crystal. It's so creepy. We need to figure this out.
Hey guys, I have an idea. Let's try to talk to it. I just bought an Ouija board. Let's say tonight. Sure. She's staring to someone and I don't know what she's staring at.
Wait, guys! Our project is done.
Yes!
It's so great. So what do we do now?
Let's have some fun. Ghost hunting! Ghost hunting. Wait, guys. I think that's a bad idea. Just kidding. Ghost doesn't exist.
Hey guys, I have my Ouija board. Ghost hunting. Wait! Let's go. Ghost hunting! Ghost hunting! Ghost hunting! Ghost hunting!